All right. Okay. So today we are obviously doing the RPM show songs with karaoke. Unless you're not ready yet with the karaoke, but I
Uh,
think we should.
I have got a problem with this how to stay in tal.
Okay. Okay. Don't worry. We will fix. I mean, we'll separately work on that one.
Anything
Uh,
you can count on the fingers or
no, you can do like this also. पूछो ना कैसे मैंने रैन बिताई पूछो ना you can we will talk about that separately, okay, but let's see how it goes first with the karaoke, okay, don't worry. Yeah, I no, I fully understand. It's a very important question, and because if you're not on tal, you won't sound nice, because tal kahin par hai and you're singing somewhere else. Though you may be singing well, but it won't
Champa
go.
the
means same problem with me. Tal.
Yeah. But don't worry, we have got time. I mean, the show is not tomorrow, so we'll do one step at a time. So specifically, अगर कोई help चाहिए तो after the class we can do it. I've got enough time today. Okay.
I tried with I've got this app Tabla I and I put only
I would say that stick to the karaoke only. Don't because I tabla वगैरह करने के लिए और थोड़ा advance में जाना मतलब it is a different thing because we are not trying to learn the how to sing with a tabla app. We are not doing that. Okay.
it is tal Kherwa, ne? I think.
No, no, but see, it also depends on the number of beats per second. It is different because I don't want you to learn the best is to learn on the karaoke.
Okay.
Because if you use the iTabla app and all, you should know the exact beats per minute and match that with the song. Because otherwise you will learn the iTabla app at one speed. For example, you might be learning something like this. पूछो ना कैसे मैंने रैन बिता. But then when the song comes, it is पूछो ना कैसे मैंने रैन. So the song speed will be different. So you have to, if you are using a iTabla app, you have to know what is the beat per second on the song, then match that with the iTabla, and it should match the same tabla like you said Kherwa or something. Kherwa is done by Lata Ben, but I'm not sure if the song itself is on Kherwa. Okay, so she's doing it because she's not depending on the karaoke. She's having her own harmonium and she's playing with that. So don't go by what she's doing.
Okay.
Okay,
Um,
so
uh,
just stick to
I
the
just
karaoke.
wanted to
Yeah,
know if there is any technique to keep
yeah,
in the
correct.
beats.
Tal is a technique by itself because that goes with the alankar because this is why we started the alankar with the tabla so that you will get used to singing to a tabla. Meaning, for example, sa re ga ma sa re ga ma pa dha. So you are able to use the same beat but going at one speed, double speed and quadruple speed. ओके सो वो अलंकार का जो है ना वो टेक्निक वो बिकॉज एज यू डू दैट यू विल गेट यूज टू ताल मच बेटर ओके yeah so we'll talk about a tal technique separately because but then let's see how to crack the tal for this specific song, okay,
Okay.
all right, so let me start the recording. Oh, I think we have started recording. Okay.
Started.
uh yeah, what is that?
You started already.
Yeah, correct, correct. So for those of you who are also doing the Ganesha Pancharatna, I have sent the karaoke for it. Like I said, do only up to verse 2. Don't try to do anything more than what's being taught. Okay, so there's no point in trying to do more. It's important to do whatever we have learned, do it correctly. But I'm sending the whole thing this way. You have it. And the second part, I want to fix it, some more. It's only 80% correct, which I will fix it later tonight and resend it. Okay, but regardless, up to verse 6, it is all correct only. Only the end part में मेरे को थोड़ा जो 1 minute or something I have to fix it, but otherwise the entire karaoke is pretty much done. So learn up to the verse 2 for now, and then yeah, okay. You have any questions on that karaoke? I think it's pretty straightforward. There's really nothing there. Yeah. Okay. All right. So who wants to go? So today we are doing with karaoke, unless you don't want to do with karaoke. Okay, but otherwise, please do with karaoke. So Champaben, is it okay if Hansa goes first because she has got
It's
yeah
all
she's
right.
got
It's all
guests
right.
at home. Yeah, okay, all right, Hansaben.
Oh, thank you. Thanks, Champaben. So I'm gonna do it with Mike today. Oh God.
Okay.
Sorry.
For song, keep a slight echo, little bit of echo. Don't not too much, but little bit of echo. If you have echo option, if
So
not,
I raise the mic volume or rehab a little bit. Is it better now?
you can give some
Is it
more
bet-
echo.
It's reverb, isn't it? Echo is
Yeah,
reverb.
yeah, reverb.
So it's on the highest now.
Oh, it's on the highest. And can you tell something? Just speak.
Hello, 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 hello.
Yeah,
Hello.
yeah, you have it. Okay, okay, start karo. Yeah,
And this is how far I keep. Yeah.
this is fine. Yeah.
I'm hearing echoes. Not good. I'm hearing echoes.
Yeah, you will. But for song, if you want, we will reduce it. But let's see how it sounds. Yeah.
Okay then. Okay.
Make sure your music is turned on.
In low, yeah.
I think your original sound is not on.
Oh. Okay. So that will take time, won't it? That will take time now, won't it?
Why? It should be pretty simple.
Where
On the
shall
Zoom
I?
setting.
Oh, okay. Hold on 1 second. Meeting settings.
No,
Because
you don't have it
sometimes
on the screen itself. On the screen, right on the screen, Zoom. Because for me, it is right on the Zoom screen. In iPad, I don't know where.
I'm on iPad actually. I'm on iPad. So I think something's changed in the
Hansaben.
Zoom, isn't it? Hello, Benji.
In
Hansaben,
iPad, it is in the chat.
Yeah. Yes.
iPad છે ને એમાં more છે ને, you go in the more ઉપર click કરો. Can you see more?
Yeah,
હા,
then
પછી
meeting
એમાં આવશે
settings.
enable, disable. એમાં enable ઉપર click કરો પછી. Can you see enable? Enable.
Enable. Meeting setting, background and effects and apps. Because
Enable નથી આવતું.
enable nothing. Nah, sorry. So
Okay.
No, did you click more? Did you click more?
more, yes. And then I got meetings topic. Always show meeting photo, touch my appearance, portrait, show name and that non-video participants, self-view, stop incoming video, show my connected time. So something's changed, isn't it, lately? I think they've changed something. So that means it's oh dear. Button chat, reactions, share, record, captions, whiteboard notes, more. So unless I go back and you want to give somebody else, I'll fiddle around a little bit.
Yeah. In the
Yeah.
meantime, let Champaben go and then we'll come back to you. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. In the worst case, you sing without.
All
correct.
right.
For now.
Okay. I'll just come out and go in again, please.
You don't need to log off or anything.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Okay, Champaben. Just
पूछो ना कैसे मैंने रैन बिताई, पूछो ना कैसे मैंने रैन बिताई। पल जैसे एक जुग बीता, एक पल जैसे एक जुग बीता, जुग बीते मोहे नींद न आई, पूछो ना कैसे मैंने रैन बिताई। उत जल दीपक इत मन मेरा, फिर भी न जाए मेरे घर का अंधेरा। उत जल दीपक इत मन मेरा, मन मेरा मेरा। उत जल दीपक इत मन मेरा, फिर भी न जाए मेरे घर का अंधेरा। तरपत तरसत उम्र गवाई, पूछो ना कैसे मैंने रैन बिताई, पूछो ना कैसे मैंने रैन बिताई। ना कहीं चंदा ना कहीं तारे, ज्योत के प्यासे मेरे नैन बेचारे। ना कहीं चंदा ना कहीं तारे, ज्योत के प्यासे मेरे नैन बेचारे। भोर भी आस की किरण न लाई, पूछो ना कैसे मैंने रैन बिताई, पूछो ना कैसे मैंने रैन बिताई। एक पल जैसे एक जुग बीता, एक पल जैसे एक जुग बीता, जुग बीते मोहे नींद न आई, पूछो ना कैसे मैंने रैन बिताई, पूछो ना कैसे मैंने रैन बिताई।
Okay, Chamba Ben, actually, sorry.
Was I am in tal or out of tal?
Yeah, well, I would, you'll be probably surprised to hear that this was not bad. This is really not bad. Like, especially the antaras were not bad at all. So, इस गाने में challenge is only the starting part जो है ना, वो एक बार figure out कर दो। तो इसके लिए आपने ताल का बताया ना, see, one thing I was thinking is this is what you can do. Listen to the original song, or you know what, actually let me post the song that I had posted. उसको listen करो, don't sing, okay, sing only in the mind, and उसका जो तबला जो है उसके साथ में हाथ, you try to match your hand with the tabla and match की उसमें कहाँ पर words है, okay, मतलब वो गाना कैसे flow, because now you know the song, you know the lyrics, right? So all those things are there. Just listen to it and use your hand to either do it with it, or you can do your mind will tell you, you know, when to hit, when not to hit. Okay. And once you figure that out, then uske baad play the karaoke and use your hand to be with the karaoke. Still don't sing it, but in the mind you sing. Ki agar if you were to sing, where you would have started. And when you sing, try to sing to your tal, your hand ka tal. So you will be always with the karaoke.
Okay.
Okay, so you do not worry ki uska actual music kaise ja raha, because you already figured out how to do the hand to match with the karaoke. Because then, you know, try to do it. I bet you will be, you will be able to do it, because that's why if you see all the singers, I mean, even if you see, Amma also, right, they always use their fingers, because they are singing regardless of the music, they are singing to their fingers or to the palm, always. ओके
Okay.
मेरा भी जो सॉरी मेरे यहाँ पे सी फ्लिकर हो रहा है अभी भी इट्स जस्ट प्रॉब्लम सो मैं भी क्या करता हूँ कि जो गाने का जो डिफिकल्ट पोर्शन है मैं अपने हाथ से ही करता हूँ एट दैट टाइम आई काउंट अदरवाइज आई टिपिकली फॉर्चुनेटली फॉर मी नेचुरली बीट्स कम्स टू मी बट देर आर सॉन्ग्स वेयर it is slightly difficult, so difficult areas मतलब उस difficult areas में मैं immediately I stop my acting and everything and go back to my fingers to count, because I try to match with the music का जो beat है उसके साथ match करता हूँ and then उसके साथ गाता हूँ, उसके बाद मैं that after those 10-15 seconds then I'm back into my thing, because I don't need the counting of my fingers anymore. But for you, just to get used to it, maybe it is good to have that thing going. Okay. Okay. So get like it will take some time for all of you to get used to this thing. I mean, especially a song like Pucho Na Kaise ya fir Sri Ramachandra Kripalu. All these songs are there which are heavily tabla rhythmic oriented thing, and for which it will be very very useful. Actually, it will be useful for all songs. Okay. All right. Okay. But you will be surprised कि it was not bad at all.
Okay.
It was,
Thank you.
it was fairly nice, yeah.
I will
Except,
try to.
हाँ, but एक ही याद रखना कि इसका जो फर्स्ट लाइन जो है ना, it is slightly faster than the next line. Meaning जब गाना शुरू होता है ना, your आलाप was fairly good, okay? But इसका पहला जो लाइन है ना, is slightly faster than the next line. Meaning the first line goes पूछो ना कैसे मैंने रैन उसका जो नेक्स्ट लाइन है पूछो ना कैसे मैंने रैन so don't start with कैसे, because then the tabla goes somewhere, then you'll be off.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Unfortunately, that is how the karaoke. The actual song, both are slow, but karaoke is like that. So you can't. I mean,
I will listen to the original and
yeah,
with it.
yeah. Learn, and then listen to the karaoke and do the same thing.
Okay.
Don't sing. Do that, and in your mind figure out कि कहाँ पे उसका start होता है, कहाँ पे क्या होता है, and then sing. Don't hurry to sing.
Okay.
Okay, and this is actually everyone should be doing the same thing for all of the songs. Okay, chalo. Okay, so Hansaben, did you figure it out? Okay. Please unmute. And make sure your originals. Oh, okay. You already did the original sound. Yeah. Okay.
Is it all right now? Is it all right? Can you hear me?
Yeah. I can hear you, but then until music starts, we won't know. Yeah.
Okay. I'll start then.
Yeah. I think this is because our internet is frozen.
यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरी तनयाय धीमहि रजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि
We can't hear anything.
No, you can't.
In the middle, your internet is freezing, and बाद में फिर when your internet is not freezing, we can't hear the music. So
Okay,
I
I'm
think
turning my position for they should come down. Okay, if not, then I'll stop. Yeah.
okay.
गान चत्राय गान प्राणाय गानान्तरात्मने गानो सुखाय गानमत्ताय गानो सुख मन से गुरु पूजिताय गुरुदेवताय गुरुकुल स्थायिने गुरुदेव विक्रमाय गुरु प्रवराय गुरुवे गुण गुरुवे गुरुदैत्य कल क्षेत्र गुरु धर्म सदा राध्याय गुरुपुत्र परित्रात्रे गुरु पाखंड खंडकाय गीत सराय गीत तत्पाय गीत गोत्राय धीमहि गुण गुल्फाय दंडमत्ताय गोजय प्रदाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरी तनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि Could you hear? Can you hear? ग्रंथ गीताय ग्रंथ गेयाय ग्रंथांतरात्मने गीतलीनाय गीताश्रयाय गीतवाद्यपटवे गेय चरिताय गाय कविराय गंधर्व प्रियकृते गायकादीन विग्रहाय गंगा जल प्रणयवते गौरी स्तनन्दयाय गौरी दयानन्दनाय गौरभानुसुताय गौरी गणेश्वराय गौरी प्रणयाय गौरी प्रवनाय गौरभावाय धीमहि गोसहस्राय गोवर्धनाय गोपाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरी तनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
Surya,
So Hansa, Actually, I've seen your internet is always is typically an issue. What you have to really figure out is the right position in the house, or move the internet router in such a way that it is closer,
Yeah.
or maybe you should also reboot the router once in a while, just power it on and off, this thing. But that always causes a problem. But especially make sure that it is nearer to, I mean, your laptop or the device is nearer to where the router is. Um,
I've
okay.
got a little power router to boost up, but it still doesn't work sometimes. But
Oh, so your router is somewhere else? Your router
yeah,
is
it's
somewhere else?
downstairs. It's downstairs, and I'm upstairs.
Yeah,
And then
that's
I've got
right.
little attachment.
Yeah, that could be the problem.
No.
So on the day of the show, maybe if you want to be downstairs for your program, like at that time, I think it might be good. Okay, but your song was good, but unfortunately, it was not totally clear, so I'm not able to give any specific comment. So even if you listen to the recording, you're not really going to get any much.
Okay, not to worry. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you anyway.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, but still listen to it. You might be able because you know how it sounds, right? So you might be able to hear more from it. Okay. Okay.
Thank you. I'll take
Yeah.
a leave, everybody. Jai Shri Krishna, everyone.
Sure. I know you got
Thank
guests.
you.
Yeah. Please. Yeah. Enjoy. Yeah. Okay. Jyoti, when you want to go?
राम भाई कहीं कहीं ताल जाता है, हाँ। और मैं ना ये माइक से करती हूँ, तो आप देखना अगर वो ठीक नहीं है तो माइक बंद कर दूंगी।
No, don't worry. Because we will do audio testing, we'll do later. Yeah.
श्री राम श्री राम।
Sorry, Jyoti Ben. It is not Sri Ram, वैसा नहीं है. Sri Ram, Sri Ram.
Okay,
That is
that what
because
every
even if
time
you
I
hear
get
also you
mixed
will
up.
know. Yeah. Okay.
Let
Start.
me try again.
Yeah. Start again. Yeah.
श्री राम नहीं,
श्री राम जो आप जो बोल रहे हैं श्री राम, that is the second.
ओके, 1 मिनट।
Yeah.
पहले
This is
ऊपर
the
जाना,
problem of
फिर
starting
नीचे।
straight with the karaoke. Okay, do it without karaoke. Please do it without karaoke.
ओह, श्री राम नहीं,
Sri Ram.
ओके,
Sri Ram.
श्री राम श्री राम।
Again.
अभी
Do it
karaoke करूं?
better. Do it 4-5 times, please. Yeah.
श्री राम श्री राम।
Do it again. Sri Ram. Sri Ram.
श्री राम श्री राम श्री राम श्री राम श्री राम श्री राम। Now
This
can
is
I
not
do
where-
a karaoke?
Yeah. This is our. I mean, this is an example for everyone also, and for you also. This is how you learn every line. If you don't get Puchonagaze, if you don't get, let's say, some other song, learn part by part. The fix it. Don't try to do with the music again and again. It's not going to solve the problem. Okay. Learn it. Now you start the karaoke and remember what you did just now.
Again, same mistake. I hope not get. Sri Ram.
Sri Ram, Sri Ram.
Sri Ram.
आप जो बोल रहे हैं श्री राम वो सेकंड है, not.
Ram. Sri
The problem
Ram.
is your mind is fixed on that and that keeps going in that direction. Okay.
That's true.
This
That's
is
true.
this is the problem of yeah. Okay. I'm spending time only because we have less people. Otherwise, we won't have time. I'll say, okay, you go and learn, and it's not correct.
Sri Ram. Sri Ram. Sri Ramachandra Kripalu Bhaj Man Haran Bhava Bhaya Darunam. Sri Ramachandra Kripalu Bhaj Man Haran Bhava Bhaya Darunam. Navakanjalochana कंज मुख कर कंज पद कंजारणम. श्री राम श्री राम. अभी आया ना. कंदर्प अगणित अमित छवि नवनील नीरद सुंदरम पटपीत सॉरी नौमि जनक सुतावरम. श्री रामचंद्र कृपालु भज मन हरण भव भय दारुणम. श्री राम श्री राम. चलो नहीं पड़ेगा. भजे दीन बंधु दिनेश दानव दैत्य वंश निकंदनम. रघुनंदन कंद कौशल चंद दशरथ नंदनम. श्री रामचंद्र कृपालु भज मन हरण भव भय दारुणम. श्री राम श्री राम. सिरे मुकुट कुंडल तिलक चारु उदार अंग विभूषणम. अजान भुज सर चाप धर संग्राम जित कर दूषणम. श्री रामचंद्र कृपालु भज मन हरण भव भय दारुणम. श्री राम श्री राम. इति वदति तुलसी दास शंकर शेष मुनि मन रंजनम. मम हृदय कुंज विठल दल गंजनम श्रीरामचंद्र कृपालु भजमन हरण भव भय दारुणम श्रीराम श्रीराम. I don't know, I tried.
Okay. Not about the singing itself, but what do you think about singing with the karaoke? Are you feeling good? Are you going out of breath, or you feeling it's too much?
Yes,
It's not
sometimes
good?
I'm getting out of breath, and sometimes it's just a little bit high, so that's why I could not take it high.
Correct, correct. So do you want me to try a little bit lowering it
Low.
further? Further?
Yes, please.
Okay, okay. I'll do that. You're not bad actually, but I think let's give 2 3 more tries. Meaning Monday, this coming Monday, then Thursday, then again another Monday. We can always sing this song very comfortably, aram se without karaoke. But let's not give it up that easily. 3 4 times, let's do it. And you can always sing without karaoke last minute also. That is like obviously true. And but इसमें I think see Sri Ram कितने बार repeat होता है, right? So it is important to fix it, because if you don't fix it, the 8th time people are going to
That
be doing wrong
changes.
thing. So it's important that we need to fix it regardless, but it's even more important to fix things that gets repeated. So इसका अंतरा थोड़ा tricky है. So you have to make sure that the tune of the antara drops very smoothly. Meaning, see, let's see which one.
Sri Ramchandra Kripa.
No, Sri Ramchandra Gopal. Let's say first.
Kandarpa Ganita.
Okay. कंदर्पगणित अमित छवि नवनील नीरज सुंदरम पटपीत मानहु तडित रुचि सुचि नौमि जनक सुतावरम. So वो जो उसका हाई एंड देन लो जो है ना, इट हैज टू, जहां पर हाई में छोड़ा उसी हाई से नेक्स्ट लाइन को स्टार्ट ड्रॉपिंग इट वेरी. दिस इज अ स्टैंडर्ड क्लासिकल टेक्निक ऑफ सिंगिंग. So you never end in note C and start in note D or something, or don't start in A sharp or A. So you don't worry about C or A. Whichever pitch you stopped at, start at the same pitch for the next line. Meaning, पटपीत मानहु तडित रुचि सुचि नौमि जनक सुतावरम श्री राम. जहाँ पे वरम जो है उसके बाद श्री राम उससे स्टार्ट होता है. सो इट्स अ वेरी स्टैंडर्ड टेक्निक ऑफ डूइंग इट. बट इफ यू डोंट डू दैट फॉर द ऑडियंस, दे विल see a gap, because you ended somewhere and started at another note. There are few cases they do it, but to give a surprise to the audience, but typically it's not done that way. Okay.
Good. Thank
Okay.
you.
Yeah, no problem. No, I'm just giving these details because we have less
No,
people.
thank you. नहीं, आप तो
Yeah, so
CEO
Champa
तो
Bhai के लिए भी दिया
welcome.
मैंने, and just to make sure that it gives. Yeah. Who wants to go next? Okay, Kashmira. Yeah, and then yeah, Raksha, you can go next. And then Ranjan, I guess. Yeah. Okay, Kashmira. You are muted, huh? Kashmira.
Thank you. जय हो शंकरा आदिदेव शंकरा, तेरी चाप के बिना चले ये सांस किस तरह. मेरा कर्म तू ही जाने, क्या बुरा है क्या भला. तेरे रास्ते पे मैं तो आंख मूंद के चला, तेरे नाम की ज्योत ने सारा लिया तमस मेरा। नमो नमो जी शंकरा, भोलेनाथ शंकरा, लोकनाथ शंभु है शिवाय शंकरा। नमो नमो जी शंकरा, भोलेनाथ शंकरा, रुद्रदेव है महेश्वरा। सृष्टि के जन्म से भी पहले तेरा वास था, ये जग रहे या ना रहे, रहेगी तेरी आस्था। क्या समय क्या प्रलय, दोनों में तेरी महानता, महानता, महानता। सीपीयू की ओठ में मोतिया हो जिस तरह, मेरे मन में शंकरा तू बसा है उस तरह। मुझे भरम था जो है मेरा था कभी नहीं मेरा, अर्थ क्या निरर्थ क्या जो भी है सभी तेरा। तेरे सामने है झुका, मेरे सर पे हाथ रख तेरा। नमो नमो जी शंकरा, भोलेनाथ शंकरा, जय त्रिलोकनाथ शंभु जय शिवाय शंकरा। नमो नमो जी शंकरा, भोलेनाथ शंकरा, रुद्रदेव है महेश्वरा। चंद्रमा ललाट पे भस्म है बुझाऊ में, वस्त्र भाग छाल का है खड़ा पाँव में। प्यास क्या हो तुझे, गंगा ही तेरी जटाओं में, जटाओं में, जटाओं में। दूसरों के वास्ते तू सदैव ही जिया, मांगा कुछ कभी नहीं, तूने सिर्फ है दिया। समुद्र मंथन का था समय जो आ पड़ा, ढूंढ दोनों लोग में विषामृत पे था छिड़ा। अमृत सभी में बांट के प्याला विष का तूने खुद पिया। नमो नमो जी शंकरा, भोलेनाथ शंकरा, जय त्रिलोकनाथ शंभु है शिवाय शंकरा। नमो नमो जी शंकरा, भोलेनाथ शंकरा, रुद्रदेव है महेश्वरा। नमो जी शंकरा, भोलेनाथ शंकरा, जय त्रिलोकनाथ शंभु है शिवाय शंकरा। नमो नमो जी शंकरा, भोलेनाथ शंकरा, रुद्रदेव है महेश्वरा। रुद्रदेव है महेश्वरा, रुद्रदेव है महेश्वरा।
Okay, so Kashmira, this is really matching nicely for you. You know, beat, everything sounds nice. The only thing I would suggest is that इसमें ये गाने का जो स्टार्ट जो है ना, मतलब उसमें you have to practice it. you need the first four lines. जय हो शंकरा आदिदेव शंकरा तेरे जाप कभी ना चले ये सांस किस तरह. ये जो चार लाइन जो है, until मेरा कर्म तू ही, until that line, the first four lines needs a sort of a, like a hissing sound.
I've tried it, Ramba. I can't do it.
Yeah, no, I know, but no, like आ जाएगा. What I'm saying is, it's a conscious effort. So the first four line, needs a hiss, and then the power comes. When the जो मेरा कर्म तू ही जाने क्या बुरा है क्या भला है, that comes there. That line has a lot of energy. And also another thing, actually there's one more thing here, is that खुलकर गाओ. इस गाने को बिंदास डर के, because you know to sing, you're singing well. Just no, I'm not saying that you scream, saying the same pitch, everything same, but khulkar, don't hold yourself, and especially the Namo Namaji part of it, because see the Namo Namaji part is a Namo Namaji, वो जो उसमें बहुत energy है, so don't cut back on that thing, yeah, that's it. But like I'm sure these are all doable things, but this is what makes a song sound powerful, the small things, but they are not small,
Thank you.
all right,
Thank
yeah,
you.
okay. I think next was what, Ranjan Ben or Raksha Ben.
राम भाई, आई
Yeah.
थिंक
हाँ,
करियोके है ना, थोड़ा सा आगे पीछे है.
मतलब रॉन्ग करे के.
रोंग करियोके नहीं है, वो लिख हमको आदत हो गई ना वो पढ़ के चलने की
हाँ तो
आगे, तो म्यूजिक चालू हो जाता है और ये मेरा लिरिक चालू नहीं होता है.
क्यों?
तो अभी देखो तुम, अभी मैं आपको
No, it's not because karaoke is wrong, right?
करियोके इज आई थिंक रॉन्ग, बिकॉज द म्यूजिक हो जाता है चालू, लिरिक्स चालू हो जाता है, लेकिन मेरा लिख के पे उस पे नहीं आता है.
Oh, meaning वो जो movement है, this is karaoke I've sent you, right?
हाँ हाँ,
Is it? Oh, maybe. I know, like I can redo and send it. So now you go by the lyrics, by printed lyrics.
हाँ मैं देखती हूँ, मैंने ट्राई किया, अभी देखो कैसा होता है.
हाँ.
तो भी वो आदत हो गई ना देख के करने की.
This is how people have done in the past. So there was no screen, तभी screen ही नहीं था.
आई नो. हाँ, तो मैं भी देखो, मेरा तीन चल रहा है.
Okay.
एक में लिरिक्स है, एक में म्यूजिक चल रहा है, और मैं सामने देखती हूँ.
हाँ, okay.
गड़बड़ तो होने वाली है.
Okay. Don't worry. I'm sure you'll be fine. Yeah.
निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव, सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा. ओम गण गणपते नमो नमः, श्री सिद्धिविनायक नमो नमः, अष्टविनायक नमो नमः, गणपति बाप्पा मोरया, मंगलमूर्ति मोरया. ओम गण गणपते नमो नमः, श्री सिद्धिविनायक नमो नमः, अष्टविनायक नमो नमः, गणपति बाप्पा मोरया, मंगलमूर्ति मोरया. ओम गण गणपते नमो नमः, श्री सिद्धिविनायक नमो नमः, अष्टविनायक नमो नमः, गणपति बाप्पा मोरया, मंगलमूर्ति मोरया. विनायक नमो नमः, मुक्ता वार्ता विघ्नाची नुर्वी पूर्वी प्रेम कृपा जयाची सर्वांगी सुंदरवती सेंदुराची कंठी सरते माळ मुक्ता फळांची जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ती दर्शन मात्रे मन कामना पूर्ती जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ती दर्शन मात्रे मन कामना पूर्ती जय देव जय देव रत्न रत्न खचित करा तुझ गौरी कुमरा चंदनाची युती कुंकुम केशरा हिरे जडित मुकुट शोभतो बरा रुणझुणती मुकुरे सोबरिया जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ती गणपती गणपती जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ती दर्शन मात्रे मन कामना पूर्ती जय देव जय देव लंबोदर पीतांबर परिवर वंदना शर सौंद वक्र त्रिनयना दास रामाचा वाचा हे सजना संकटी पावावे निर्वाणी रक्षावे सुरवर वंदना जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ती दर्शन मात्रे मन कामना पूर्ती जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ती दर्शन मात्रे मन कामना पूर्ती जय देव जय देव
See, it was not difficult. So, see, क्या होता है कि the mind, once you are not looking at the screen, the mind automatically gets used to the music, not the screen. So mind will know, when to start, when to stop. ये पूरा हो जाता है because when you're dependent on the screen, then you're always dependent on the screen. It's good to have the screen because we don't know the lyrics by heart, but don't depend on the screen for, because like especially in this song, the music starts so clearly, you know.
हाँ
Ta-na-na-na. That music is so clear when the start of the song is. So yeah.
तो you can
But regardless, I will fix and give it. Because, no, I'm not saying that I'm not going to fix it.
no just
Ac-
have a look because might
Actually,
be answer
Indraben told me on Monday. I think you were not there, right? On Monday, you were there. Yeah. Because Indraben had this. I said not possible. Then I played the thing. Then I realized, oh my god, this thing. So you are also doing that, the same thing. So I'll fix it. Actually, क्या हुआ मैंने जब edit किया, I know where that was a mistake. Yeah. Okay.
हाँ so but did I without the
It was
by
fairly
just
good, fairly good. Yeah. But for all, for all of you, I'll tell you just to, this is the same question Champaman also asked. To make sure that you're always on the beat, right? Use your palm, hand, or somewhere so that you know that Jai Deva, Jai. So once you match this with the tabla, then you sing to this.
okay
You don't have to sing to you don't, practically, of course you can listen to the karaoke to make sure that your hand is always in sync with it, but your mind will start singing to this will sing to you. You don't need the karaoke anymore because you can actually sing. सुखकर्ता दुखहर्ता वार्ता विघ्नाची गुरुवे पूर्वी प्रेम कृपा. So when the karaoke is going on, you don't have to do this. You can also do this. Sukhakarta Dukhaharta. You can do in so many ways this thing. So the point is that you once you sync with that, then now you can sing to your own hand. And you will be 300% correct because your mind will easily sing to your hand. So used to it, and after some time when the experience kicks in, then you don't even need the hand. Your mind will start counting automatically. Nicely. So at some point the mind will start counting, which in general it will, but to be really correct, you need a lot of experience with that thing, right? So we all need that experience. So it will happen, but the way to go is start using your hand.
is
Then
it possible that he can send me the audio as well just
what
without the
audio?
lyrics
The
Uh,
original audio?
no, original audio I have.
Yeah.
Without any lyrics. Just what you call,
The
just
MP3?
a MP3, huh?
Huh. Yeah. No,
I will
MP3. No, then play it and don't see the screen, na. See
still
ulta.
my
That.
mic goes as soon as my start mic just goes because that habit pad gaya na.
Okay. Then I will send it. Yeah.
So what I'll do is I will try and do it without the lyrics
You
written one.
should. You should. Because there is, especially this song, because there is hard, there nothing, there no, the beat is so simple and straightforward.
हाँ
You know,
हाँ
I
लेकिन क्या
mean,
होता है
I'm just
मेरे को
making it simple. It is not that simple, obviously, but I'm saying that it is not a very complex thing or anything to worry about. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I'll send the MP3. Let me send the correct karaoke and MP3 both. Okay.
thank you.
All right. Yeah. Ranjan man. Yeah.
जय श्री राम, जय हनुमान। श्री गुरु चरण सरोज रज, निज मन मुकुर सुधार। बरनउँ रघुबर बिमल जसु, जो दायकु फल चारि। बुद्धिहीन तनु जानिके, सुमिरो पवन कुमार। बल बुद्धि विद्या द्यो मोहे, हरहु कलेश विकार, हरहु कलेश विकार। जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर, जय कपीस तिहु लोक उजागर। राम दूत अतुलित बल धामा, अंजनी पुत्र पवन सुत नामा। महावीर विक्रम बजरंगी, कुमति निवार सुमति के संगी। कंचन बरन विराज सुबेसा, कानन कुंडल कुंचित केसा। हाथ वज्र और ध्वजा विराज, कांधे मूज जनेऊ साजे। शंकर सुवन केसरी नंदन, तेज प्रताप महाजगबंदन। विद्यावान गुणी अति चातुर, राम काज करिबे को आतुर। प्रभु चरित्र सुनिबे को रसिया, राम लखन सीता मन बसिया। सूक्ष्म रूप धरि सियम दिखावा, विकट रूप धरि लंक जरावा। भीम रूप धरि असुर सहारे, रामचंद्र के काज सवारे। लाए सजीवन लखन जियारे, श्री रघुवीर हरषि उर लाए। रघुपति की नहीं बहुत बड़ाई, तुम मम प्रिय भरत सम भाई। सहस बदन तम रोजस गावे, अस कहे श्रीपति कंठ लगावे। सनकादिक ब्रह्मादि मुनीसा, नारद सारद सहित अहिंसा। यम कुबेर दिगपाल चहाते, कभी कोविद कहि सके कहाते। तुम उपकार सुग्रीव किन्हा, राम मिलाए राजपद दीन्हा। तुम्हारो मंत्र विभीषण माना, लंकेश्वर भय सब जग जाना। जुग सहस्र जो जन पर भानु, लिलियो ताहि मधुर फल जानु। प्रभु मुद्रिका मेलि मुख माहि, जल दिलांदि गए अचरज नाही। दुर्गम काज जगत के जेते, सुगम अनुग्रह तुमरे तेते। राम दुआरे तुम रखवारे, होत न आज्ञा बिन पैसारे। सब सुख लहे तुम्हारी शरणा, तुम रक्षक काहू को डरना। अपना तेज समारो आपे, तीन लोग हाकते कापे। भूत पिचास निकट नहीं आवे, महावीर जब नाम सब पीरा, जपत निरंतर हनुमंत वीरा। संकट से हनुमान छुड़ावे, मन क्रम वचन ध्यान जुलावे। सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा, तिनके काज सकल तुम साजा। और मनोरथ जो कोई लावे, सोय अमित जीवन फल पावे। चारों जुग परताप तुम्हारा, हे प्रसिद्ध जगत उजियारा। साधु संत के तुम रखवारे, असुर निकंदन राम दुलारे। अष्ट सिद्धि नवनिधि के दाता, असबर दीन जानकी माता। राम रसायन तुम्हारे पासा, सदा रहो रघुपति के दासा। तुम्हारो भजन राम को भावे, जन्म जन्म के दुख बिसरावे। अंत काल रघुबरपुर जाई, जहाँ जन्म हरि भक्त कहाई। और देवता चीत न धरिए, हनुमंत से सर्व सुख करिए। संकट कटे मिटे सब पीरा, जो सुमिरे हनुमंत बलबीरा। जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई, कृपा करो गुरुदेव की नाई। ये 7 बार पाठ कर जोई, छुट्टी बंदी महासुख होए। जो ये पढ़े हनुमान चालीसा, होए सिद्धि साखी गौरीसा। तुलसीदास सदा हरि चेला, की जो नाथ हृदय महडेरा। पवन तनय संकट हरन, मंगल मूर्ति रूप। राम लखन सीता सहित, हृदय बसु सुरभूप। सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय। बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय। राम भाई, आज मेरा गला बहुत खराब है, क्योंकि आई वॉज प्रैक्टिसिंग सिंस मॉर्निंग, नॉट दिस वन, अदर वन।
Oh, okay, okay. No, it's fine, no problem. When you practice other things, I mean, in general, more make sure to have warm water with you.
Yeah.
Don't drink too much, obviously, because but keep drinking little bit so that you keep the throat moist.
अभी ना ये मैं गर्म पानी लिया, warm water, and I put inside वो जेठी मध बोलते हैं ना, powder.
हाँ, वो correct. Yeah, and people put honey, people put different things.
Yes.
But keep it moist. Don't have to drink too much. But
Did you notice my voice?
yeah, what is that?
Did you notice my voice?
Yeah. Of course, yeah.
Yeah.
And the other thing I would say, maybe you're doing it already. एकदम रिलैक्स होके जो वॉइस है ना, उस वॉइस में गाना. This way you don't have to, but probably you're already doing it, but don't try to sing at an elevated pitch. Use your normal. जब भी एकदम शांत से अगर किसी से बात करेंगे तो कैसे बात करेंगे?
लेकिन अभी तो सामने सब बैठे ना, मेरे को तो मालूम है सब बैठे हैं.
वो प्रेशर में हो जाता है, but what I'm saying, अरे यार छोड़ दे यार, like that. अरे यार छोड़ दे. No, so what I'm saying is the tone of the voice, because this way, श्री गुरु चरण सरोज रज, एकदम आराम से, अमिताभ ने जो गाने, if you see, he has really calm down voice, absolutely down to earth. उसका जो simple voice है उसमें उन्होंने कहा, he didn't try to make it like big or anything. Then the song goes up and down is different, but the start जो है ना, it sets the tone for the whole thing. Okay. Who wants to? Meenakshi and then Divya. Yeah. Only 2 are left, I guess. Yeah. Surprising, actually. I thought कि after Monday's Big Bang, lots of people were there. I thought I was expecting lesser people, but today 4, 5 already dropped. So we had like more than 10 today. Yeah, that's nice.
Okay, namaste, Sarvako.
Yeah.
I'm singing Badtamizi. Badtamiz ka song, okay? बदतमीजी एक बीमारी है, ऐसी बीमारी जो धीरे धीरे वक्त के साथ बुढ़ापे में बदल जाती है। मैं कहता हूँ जब तक बुढ़ापा नहीं आता तब तक थोड़ी बदतमीजी कर लेते हैं। पान में पुदीना देखा, नाक का नगीना देखा, चिकनी चमेली देखी, चिकना कमीना देखा, चांद ने चिटे रहो के चीट किया तो सारे बोले दिली दिली का अक्का पम पर हे मेरी बात तेरी बात, ज्यादा बातें बुरी बात, थाली में कटोरे लेकर आलू बात मूली बात, तेरे पीछे किसी ने रिपीट किया तो साला मैंने तेरे मुंह पे मारा मुक्का पम पर इस इस पड़ा है कहना ना जाने ना, सब तो क्या बुरा क्या भला है फर्क पहचाने ना, जिद पकड़ के खड़ा है कम वक्त छोड़ ना जाने ना, बदतमीज दिल माने ना बदतमीज दिल बदतमीज दिल माने ना, हाल है सवाल है कमाल है जाने ना बदतमीज दिल माने ना। हवा में हवा ना देखा, तीर का फलाना देखा, सिंह का सिंघाड़ा खा के शेर का घुटना देखा, पूरी दुनिया का गोल गोल चक्कर लेके मैंने दुनिया को मारा धक्का। है बॉलीवुड हॉलीवुड वेरी वेरी जॉली गुड, चढ़ाई के पहाड़ पर 3 फुट लिलीपुट, मेरे पीछे किसी ने रिपीट किया तो साला मैंने तेरे मुंह पे मारा मुक्का। ना जाने ना कंबल बेवजह ये शर्म का ओढ़ना जाने ना, जिद पकड़ के खड़ा है कम वक्त छोड़ ना जाने ना, बदतमीज दिल माने ना बदतमीज दिल माने ना। आज सारे चांद तारे बन गए हैं डिस्को लाइट, जल के बुझा के हमको बुला के कह रहे हैं पार्टी ऑल नाइट, नाता बेदुकी की जल के खड़ा है कम वक्त छोड़ ना जाने ना, बदतमीज दिल माने ना बदतमीज दिल माने ना, ये जो हाल है सवाल है कमाल है जाने ना बदतमीज दिल माने ना। काफी मिस्टेक की मैंने।
Yeah. So ये गाने का सी इसका जो पहला जो 4 लाइन है ना, उसका ट्यून को परफेक्ट करो। मीनाक्षी,
पान में पुदीना देखा
हाँ ट्यून को, हाँ
ओके।
न न न न न न न न उसको जो पन में बुदीना देखा, नक्का नगे न देखा, चिकनी चमेली देखी, चिकना कमी न देखा, चांद ने चिटर के चीट किया तो साला तारे बोले गिली यक्का। उसका जो फ्रेम जो है ना, वो जो 4 लाइन का जो फ्रेम है, you have to really master it. Don't try to sing the whole song, because there's no point in singing the whole song unless you master these 4 lines, because all those lines are built on that only. because even the next जो है, you know, Hollywood, Bollywood, very very jolly good, राइप के पहाड़ पर 3 फुट डाली फुट, मेरे पीछे किसी ने रिपीट किया तो साल, वो just it is just the words are different, but so hence first 4 lines are really super critical until, you know, without karaoke, do it like पान में बुध ने देखा नक्का, you know, करो, record कर, listen, record until you are satisfied, you think wow, this is sounding nice, then put the karaoke, then make sure कि you are doing that, record listen with the karaoke, only 4 lines, then you do the thing, because नहीं तो क्या होगा कि you'll be doing this whole thing again and again and you don't know. See, singing का क्या है, practice का very important rule ये है कि you have to know why you are singing. If you don't know why you are singing, don't sing, because there is no point in singing. If you don't know what you are trying to correct, you know. So if the mistake is in the first line, don't do the second line. Why are you doing the second line? First catch. You know, same thing like I was telling you know, Jyoti Ben. So you were probably not there. We got stuck on Sri Ram. The first जो है Sri Ram. If you cannot do that, don't do the line 2, line 3. No point. Stop it. We in the class did 5-6 times. Repeat. She
Yeah,
got.
I was there.
Oh, yeah, you were there. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Because I don't want to go ahead, because because those 2 lines get repeated so many times in the song, there's no point in doing ahead. So stop and fix it. So same thing for you, because you are obviously good, you know, you're a writer, you're able to read. वो तो उसका तो सवाल ही नहीं आता है. But you have to make sure that कि it comes in the proper tune
Yeah.
and also in the proper beat. You know, because this song, ये song का beat बहुत fast है, so you have to make sure कि I think when I got the speed will not be a problem for you. But the important thing is to get the tune right. So please do that. Actually, you know, those 4 lines. Don't. So next, for example, for Monday, the target should be कि you do 4 lines, rocking 4 lines. Means it should rock. You should like, wow, क्या गाया है. उसके बाद तो दूसरा तो आ जाएगा, because you know to read already. उसमें कुछ, there is nothing great about it. The song is the same, right? Every line is the same thing, whether it's Hollywood, Bollywood, या फिर some other line, they are all same only. Okay. Then the other part is this बदतमीज दिल जो है ना, that you have to know the way. बदतमीज दिल माने ना बदतमीज दिल माने ना, ये जो हाल है सवाल है कमाल है, जाने ना बदतमीज दिल माने ना. ये वो जो frame जो है, you have to know exactly how to do it, because that gets repeated again, you know, multiple times. So make sure कि these 4 lines and then this बदतमीज दिल part, these 2 you have to master it before you do the song. Okay. So this coming Monday, if you can do these 4 lines and this part, बदतमीज दिल part, without music, or with music also, if you have mastered it with music, do it. But master it at least without music. Okay. Don't try to do the full song. There's you know, let's make sure that this is done right. Okay. Yeah, it is a tough song, so that's why I'm saying. All right.
Yeah.
Okay. Good. It will come. Believe me, it will come, because you have a nice flow in talking, so it will come. All right. Yeah. Okay, Divya, the last.
Good evening. Namaskar, everybody.
Namaskar.
जब दीप जले आना, जब शाम ढले आना, जब दीप जले आना, जब शाम ढले आना, संकेत मिलने का, भूलन का ना मेरा प्यार ना बिसराना, जहाँ पहली बार मिले थे हम, किस जगह से संग चले थे हम, जहाँ पहली बार मिले थे हम, किस जगह से संग चले थे हम, नदिया के किनारे आज उसे अमवा के तले आना, जब दीप चले आना, जब शाम चले आना। नी रे ग मग रे सा सा नी ग रे ग सा नी सा ग प म प, नित सांझ सवेरे मिलते हैं नित सांझ सवेरे मिलते हैं, उन्हें देख के तारे खिलते हैं, नित सांझ सवेरे मिलते हैं, उन्हें देख के तारे खिलते हैं, लेते हैं विदाई एक दूजे से, कहते हैं चले आना, जब दीप चले आना, जब शाम दिले आना, संकेत मिलने का भूल न जाना, मेरा प्यार न बिसराना, जब दीप चले आना, जब शाम ढले आना।
Rag Yaman is so so beautiful, right? I mean, look at the composition. It's so nice. Um, so Divya, it is pretty good. Um, the voice, I think, will become what do you call more softer, more.
Is my volume very loud here?
Uh, Not. No,
Nothing
I
to do
think.
with my computer setting, is it?
No, it is fine though. I mean, yeah, no, it is fine. But what I'm saying is that the voice will become more and more like calmer as you get more and more comfortable with the song. And so that is the sargam will become more smoother. The sargam, re ga,
I
re
made a
ga.
mistake.
That part of it. No, it's a mistake to fix ho jayega. But I'm just saying the smoothness in which it comes out. Smoothness in which it comes out and there. Oh, mistake to fix ho jayega. There is no thing. And also, I'm glad you attempted the third, like Antara mein. Usme, okay, just do it in your own way. I don't want to really comment because just listen to the original one and take a pause. Make sure because see, Hemalata takes a pause at one point. Okay, anyway, listen to that thing and take the pause in the right place. The other thing I was saying, ki, okay, you didn't do the alap that you will do later.
Where is the alap? Is my alap here?
Right in the beginning.
This one doesn't have alap in the beginning.
I sent you the karaoke,
Yeah,
right?
that's not the one. This one is by Anil Chauhan.
No, are you using the one that I sent you?
No, this is Anil
Oh,
Chauhan.
okay, okay. Then, if you want, I can. Let me see if I thought I sent to you.
Yeah,
Just
you
give me
did send me.
Okay. Give me 1 second.
Yeah, this is.
Uh,
I think this is the one which you sent me. Yeah, उसमें है. Yeah, there is one.
yeah. Yeah. Beautiful alap it has got. And
You want me to sing this one? Okay.
yeah, of course. I mean, that is a full song. It's full, na? Because it sounds nicely and because it's a nice rag yaman ka ye hai.
Yeah.
It's not too difficult or anything. So, yeah. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Nothing.
Okay.
I wanted to tell something to Meenakshi. What was that?
Are we open on Monday? Monday
Yeah,
either.
actually,
Monday
I'm
bank
going.
holiday hai either.
Yeah, actually, I would prefer Monday and Tuesday both days because I am not here. Well, I don't. I'm not here for sure from Wednesday afternoon. So RPM I'm not doing, and Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. All days I'm in Virginia. We are there for a wedding, and I'm an active participant in their Sangeet. Unka audio track, I've done it. So I will have responsibility to just juggle things. I'm a part DJ. So उसमें मैं busy रहूँगा actually. So Thursday का जो है next Thursday का class I have to figure out actually. I'll compensate, but let's do Monday and Tuesday for sure. So this way I don't want to miss Monday and Tuesday. Maybe Thursday का we can, yeah. So Monday become more important then because Thursday नहीं रहने वाला हूँ मैं पक्का.
Because either na bank holiday, Rambai, so I wouldn't be able to attend Monday or Tuesday. We have bank holiday here.
Yeah.
Monday is a bank holiday. So if Thursday
No,
is
if
not,
you're on holiday and going somewhere, it's fine. But we'll have class. So
Yes.
whoever can attend. Because unfortunately from Wednesday afternoon, like I said, meaning basically Tuesday. After Tuesday, I'm not there till the
Yes.
following Monday.
so, yeah, can I take your leave and enjoy your wedding
Sure.
and all that?
Yeah, of course, of course.
Good night, everyone. Good night.
So chalo, any questions before? I think we're kind of done. So okay, all right. So have a lovely time. I'll see you.
Rambai, can I just sing 1 minute that Sri Ram, Sri Ram?
Yeah, sure. So yeah, if you all want to drop or you want to just listen.
No, I will try. I just tried 2-3 times.
Okay.
So I'm just going to say.
Okay.
Sri Ram, Sri Ram, Sri Ram, Sri Ram. ठीक है?
Yep, much better.
I tried few times because what happened?
And also keep the mind calm so that the voice comes stress free. So imagine करो कि भगवान के लिए गा रहे हो. There is not a singing competition or anything. We want to sing right, So आराम से Sri Ram, Sri
Sri
एकदम आराम से, yeah.
Ram.
Just let the air in the lungs go एकदम calm से, and it will come in the same scale, but it will come in a very controlled, stress-free voice. Okay?
Sri Ram, Sri Ram.
Yeah. See? Yeah. You listen to this recording, the last 2 minutes, the last
2-3 times I just learn. Because what happened that from the childhood we were singing the different tune.
No, I understand. I understand.
In the mandir and everywhere the different tune. So
Yeah.
that's why that tune in my mind all the
Correct.
times of
True,
the
true.
child.
So yeah, then it is little difficult actually. You know, but once you learn this one, this is the Lata Mangeshkar thing, right? So once you learn this and play with the with the karaoke especially and in a nice controlled fashion, you will be rocking in the same temple.
Thank you, thank you.
Okay. Sure. All right.
Let me try on this karaoke, and if can't, then I can drop one more. But next,
That's true.
not Monday. Monday we're not doing this, isn't it?
Tuesday we are doing, no?
Tuesday we're doing it. Yeah, okay. Tuesday I will try this and then see
Yeah. Like until
how.
then, try, but don't do it with stressed. Don't
Yeah, that's
like
what I want.
like I said, Kandarpagani drop.
Amita chavi
नवनील नी just एकदम
नीरद
आराम से हवा निकल कर
सुंदरम
या
कंदर्प अगणित अमित छवि नवनील नीरद सुंदरम पटपीत मानव तडित रुचि सुचि नौमि जनक सुतावरम
this is better, but now starts where the previous line ended. Um,
सुंदरम
रुचि सूची नवमी जनक सुतावरम वो रुचि सूची जहां पे एंड होता है वहां से
नौमि
नवमी
जनक
will start same pitch it will start because you already dropped the pitch, so don't drop the pitch at that point. Start where where you ended ruchi and then start dropping.
So it's like a कंदर्प अगणित अमित छवि नवनील नीरद सुंदरम पटपीत मानव तडित रुचि सुचि नौमि जनक सुतावरम.
Better Navami yeah, so even Navami also is yeah, so it will come nice, okay, because it's
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
yeah, no problem, no problem. Chalo, okay.
Okay.
All right, I'll stop recording. Anything
Have
else?
a nice time.
Meenakshi, like anything. Meenakshi, I wanted to tell you something, yaar, about the. हाँ, अच्छा हुआ यार. उसमें बदतमीज दिल में ना. So even when I was singing, I did the same thing. I want you to do the same thing. वो जो female का जो singing part है ना, don't do that because that's an electronic voice.
I know.
Yeah,
थोड़ा
so don't do
change
that
हो
because
जाता
no
है.
matter, first of all, anybody singing के ऊपर मैं जैसे बोला ना जिया जली के लिए मेरे को लता मंगेशकर का जो लाइक सर्टन लाइंस के ऊपर मैं जब गाया ना मैं आई प्रैक्टिस लाइक क्रेजी क्योंकि उनके ऊपर वॉइस गाना मतलब इट हैज टू बी एग्जैक्ट यू कांट बी यू डोंट हैव एनी लिबर्टी टू चेंज एनीथिंग देयर सो ये इलेक्ट्रॉनिक वॉइस के ऊपर दो चैलेंज है फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल उसके साथ एग्जैक्टली गाना मुश्किल है विच आई रियली डोंट सजेस्ट सेकेंडली इट्स एन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक वॉइस you will never be able to replicate, so don't do it. So just stick to the male part of the song. Okay.
मुझे सिर्फ इतना ही पता है कि वो जो चेयर फेंकती है सारे ग्लास निकल जाते हैं ना उसका आवाज आता है ना फिर बाद में वो ना
हाँ so don't आज सारे चांद तारे वो जो वो छोड़ दो उसको.
ओके
Then बन गए हैं डिस्को लाइट उनके बुझा के कह रहे हैं पार्टी ऑनलाइन नाता बेतुकी दिल लगी से छोड़ना सो नाता बेतुकी से वहां से स्टार्ट करो तुम यू बी रेडी फॉर द नाता व्हेन दे आर डूइंग द ओके ऑलराइट चलो ओके चलो बाय.